Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your mutual friends on Facebook. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to scroll down from the top, click on settings and privacy. Then you need to click on settings. Once you are here, you simply need to scroll down and here you can see audience and visibility. Here you can see option how people find and contact you. So you simply need to click on that and here you can see who can see your friend list. Click here and make sure to select only me. After that, no one will be able to see your mutual friends as well. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.